Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your likes and the view count on your Instagram posts. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner over here. Then I want you to click on the top right corner and click on the three straight lines. The next step will be to click on settings and privacy. And this is where the magic happens. I want you to scroll down and there is a special section over here. It's called what you see. You want to click on like and share counts. So when you're at like and share counts, you simply have the option to click on this and to hide like and share counts. On Instagram, the number of likes on posts and reels from other accounts will be hidden. You can hide the number of likes on your own post and reels by going to advanced settings before sharing. Do you know what does it mean? Let me show you. So if we go back, right, and click plus to create a new post. Let's say we want to publish this image. Let's click next. Let's click next. Right before posting, okay, we want to scroll down and you want to click on the last option in the menu, advanced settings. Over here, you will have the option to hide, as you can see, like and view count on this particular post. And this is so easy, so simple, and this is how you hide your own likes and views on your own post. But through the other menu I showed you, you can hide other people's likes and views on their own posts. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.